So the Ethereum trade is going nicely. I could potentially move my, well, I don't want to see price break above definitely 2,821 because you can see 1 hour already making a lower high, lower low, lower highs and continue to break lower. So what I'll do is I will just move my stop loss below to around, probably around this area. So both of them just above the trend line for now, and then I will keep monitor it. Okay, probably you can set an alert around 2008. So quickly set an alert, so 2808. That way you know how to monitor it. I'll keep you guys posted. My target is still, way under the first one, like I said, 3,600 right there. And then the next one is 7,161.